Understanding force and motion force is essential to change the state of motion of a body, whether to start moving, stop, or change direction. External forces, such as a push or pull, are required to move a stationary object or to stop a moving object. Aristotle's misconception. Aristotle believed that continuous external forces were needed to keep an object in motion. This view was later corrected by Galileo, who demonstrated that objects in motion would continue to move at a constant velocity unless acted upon by external forces such as friction. Newton's first law of motion. Building on Galileo's insights, Newton formulated the first law of motion, stating that an object will remain at rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless acted upon by a net external force. This law emphasizes the inertia of objects. Newton's second law of motion establishes the relationship between force, mass, and acceleration. It states that the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force acting on it and inversely proportional to its mass. Applications of Newton's Ledeblewers. Newton's Ledeblewers of motion are foundational in understanding everyday phenomena and engineering applications. From the motion of celestial bodies to the mechanics of vehicles and the dynamics of structures, these Ledeblewers provide the framework for analyzing and designing systems in motion.